Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Enjoying the winters at home, basking in the sun, right? All are ready for our English class? Yes? Okay. So, the topic which we are going to do today is interjections, right? Now, what happens when you get hurt? What comes out from your mouth? Ouch! When you win a match, hurrah! Right? When you win a match, hurrah! Then, when you meet your friend, what do you say? Hello! Hi! And when you go to the library, shh. So, these words, what do these words express? These words express feelings, emotions, right? The words which express feeling and emotions are called interjections, right? So, what are interjections? Interjections are words which express feelings or emotions, right? So, what are interjections? Interjections are words which express feelings or emotions, okay? They have nothing to do with the grammatical part of the sentence. These words only express feelings or emotions, right? So, let's write down the definition of interjection. What is the definition of interjection? Yes, come on. Definition. Write down. Definition. Right? So, have you all started writing? Right? Interjections and interjection is a word that expresses sudden feeling, right? So, what are interjections? An interjection is a word that expresses sudden feeling. अचानक हमारे मुंह से निकलता ouch, hurrah. All these type of words are called interjection, right? Let's see which word expresses which feeling. Okay. So, the first word which we are going to do today is right? So, the first word what does it express? It expresses what does it express? It expresses pleasure or surprise, right? Surprise देना अचानक या pleasure, खुशी. Okay. Now, my example. Exclamation mark. After exclamation mark, the words starts with a capital letter. Okay. It feels good. अच्छा लग रहा है. Right? It feels good. Then, next The next word. The next word is alas. A-L-A-S. Alas. It expresses grief or sorrow. Now see, grief and sorrow both are same. So these two words are synonyms. What are these two words? These two words are synonyms, right? Grief, sorrow, मतलब दुख. अलास जो वर्ड है वो क्या बताता है हमें? दुख की परिभाषा देता है, हमें बताता है कि बहुत दुख हो गया है, और जब दुख होता है तो हमारे मुंह से अलास निकलता है. जैसे हम हार गए तो हम दुखी हो गए, अलास. वी हैव example, alas, we have lost the match. Lost the match. हम मैच हार गए, right? So what is the word we use? Alas. Okay, children, you can complete your work. I am waiting for you. Okay. Yes, continue completing your work. Today the new topic which we have started is interjections, right? What are interjections? Interjections are words which express feelings, sudden feeling, right? Achanak. Now, an interjection, come on, repeat after me the definition, children. An interjection is a word that expresses sudden feeling, right? The first word which we have used is a. When do we use a? We use a when there is a pleasure or surprise, right? A, अच्छा लग रहा है. It feels good. A, I have passed. मैं पास हो गया, चलो. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना when you get a, okay. Then alas expresses grief or sorrow. Grief, dukh. Sorrow, dukh. These two words are same. These can be called as synonyms, right? So, alas, we have lost the match. Right? So, hope you all are completing your work, children. Right? Blue line to blue line in good writing. Read properly from the board and then write down. Soon your copies may be called for correction. Okay. So hope you have completed what is written on the board, and let's move further with alas. Another sentence with alas. Okay. Alas, he has died. वो मर गया. Right? The next word is hey. Number 3. Hey. It is used to call attention. किसी का ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए. हे, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? हे, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? हम बोलते हैं ना, right? So the next word is hey. Where are you going? कहाँ जा रहे हो? Hey, where are you going? Question mark. So it is to attract the attention of the person who is in front of you. आपके सामने जो है उसका ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए we use hey, right? word is hi. It is used to greet. किसी का ग्रीट करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं हाय. When you meet your friends in the school, what do you say? Hi Rahul. Hi Sharvil. Hi Vamakshi. Hi Karnika. Hello. How are you? Right. So we use hi for greeting somebody. Right. So example. Hi Sharvil. How are you? Hi Sharvil, how are you? So this is used to express greetings. किसी से मिलने पर हम लोग ये word का use करते हैं, right? Now the next word is O. What is the next word? O. It expresses surprise. Oh, you both know each other. तुम जानते हो एक दूसरे के लिए, एक दूसरे को जानते हो. Oh, you know both. Example. Oh, you know each other. Each other. Then O also expresses pain. जब आपको दर्द होता है तब भी आप O का यूज करते हो, right? O. I have a terrible. Sorry. This will continue later on. We'll continue in the top, right? Complete this much, then we'll continue. Yes, children, hope it is very, very clear. You use hey to call attention. Hey, where are you going? You use hi to greet people. Hi, Sharvil, how are you? O expresses surprise. Oh, you know each other, right? Let's move further. O also it expresses pain also. ये पेन भी बताता है. Oh my, oh, I have a terrible headache. Oh, I have a terrible headache, right? O, it expresses wonder also. ये वंडर भी बताता है, वंडर यानी आश्चर्य. ओके, वंडर मीन्स आश्चर्य. अब आश्चर्य कैसा? ओ, जो कभी लिखता ही नहीं है और उसको कभी आपने लिखते हुए देख लिया तो क्या बोलोगे आप? ओ, यू आर राइटिंग. क्या बात है. ओ, यू आर राइटिंग. मम्मी बोल बोल के थक गई है कि आप कंप्लीट कर लो कॉपी, और आप कंप्लीट नहीं करते हो, और तब अचानक मम्मी आपको देख लेती है लिखते हुए, तो मम्मा क्या बोलती? ओह, तुम लिख रहे हो, कितना अच्छा लगता है ना. इट साउंड्स गुड, राइट? सो ओ इज एक्सप्रेसेस वंडर, आश्चर्य. अचानक कोई व्यक्ति कुछ काम करने लगता है तब भी हम ओ का यूज करते हैं, राइट? द नेक्स्ट इज, आई थिंक इट इज नंबर 6, आउच. आउच क्या बताता है हमको? दर्द. इट is mainly used for pain. ये दर्द के लिए हमेशा यूज होता है. ओके, मेनली यूज्ड फॉर पेन. हाउ विल यू यूज इट? जब अचानक आपको दर्द होता है तो आप चिल्लाते हैं, आउच, दुख रहा है, राइट? So, ouch. It is hurting badly. Ouch, it is hurting badly. Right? The next word, number 7. Ouch, it's hurting badly. Bravo. Bravo. Bravo कब हम यूज करते हैं? It expresses approval. जब हम कोई बात मान लेते हैं, या प्लेजर, खुशी. एक्सीलेंस. एक्सीलेंस. जब आप बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई करते हो, ब्रेवो, यू हैव डन वेरी वेल. एक शॉट मारा 6, ब्रेवो, यू हैव हिट वेरी नाइसली, वेरी वेल. ब्रेवो, योर किक वाज एक्सीलेंट. ब्रेवो, योर शॉट वाज वेरी नाइस. That time we use the word bravo. Let's see some example of bravo. Bravo. Well played. Well played. Right? Yes, children, you can complete your work. Yes, so the sentences which are written on the board are O. It expresses pain also. ये दर्द भी बताता. Oh, I have a terrible headache. बहुत तेज मेरा सिर दुख रहा है. O also expresses wonder. Oh, you are writing. तुम लिख रहे हो. Ouch. It is mainly used for pain. Ouch! It is hurting very badly. बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. Right? जब आप डॉक्टर के यहाँ ड्रेसिंग के लिए जाते हो और जब डॉक्टर ड्रेसिंग करता है तो चिल्लाते हो ना, ouch! दुख रहा है, दुख रहा है. Right? Bravo! It expresses approval. Bravo! Well played. Bravo! It was a fine kick. Right? Now next, let's write down. Yes, bravo. It was a fine kick. In which game do you use a kick? You use kick in football, right? Then, next. Oops. Oops. It is used for making mistakes. It is used for making mistakes. जब आप गलतियां कर लेते हो उस वक्त हम क्या बोलते हैं? Oops. Oops. Everything went wrong. सब गलत हो गया. Everything went wrong. Excuse me. Right? Then the next word is hurrah. Number 9. Hurrah. It expresses happiness. क्या बताता है ये word? Happiness. Right? खुशी. Hurrah क्या बताता है? खुशी. Hurrah! I won the match. Right? So, hurrah! I have won the match. Full stop. Right? Hurrah! I have won the match. Okay, I'll leave this. Yes, children, you can complete your work. Right, so what is written on the board? We have started with bravo. Bravo expresses approval, excellence. हामी भरना, yes, तुमने जो किया वो सही किया. Bravo, well played. क्या खेला है? Bravo, it was a fine kick. Then oops. Oops is used for making mistakes. जब आपसे गलती हो जाती है तो आप किसका यूज करते हो? Oops. Oops, everything went wrong. Hurrah. Hurrah expresses happiness, खुशी. Hurrah, I have won the match. Right? Next. Hurrah, our team has won. Hurrah, our team has won. हमारी टीम जीत गई. Right? So I think things are very clear. This is the most simple exercise over here. That is why I have taken it right in the beginning. so that there is no learning work, only understanding it is there. And this is very easy, right? Only you must know which word expresses what type of feeling. Okay. So hurrah expresses happiness. Hurrah, I have won the match. Hurrah, our team has won. Right? So the next word is hello. What does it express? It expresses greetings. क्या बताता है ये? ग्रीटिंग. जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं या फोन पर बात करते हैं तो पहले हेलो बोलते हैं ना. हेलो, हाउ आर यू? हेलो, हाउ आर you, right? Yes, are you all completing your work? I am still here. I have not gone away. I have given you the board to complete your work, right? Let's move on to word number 11. Yes, let's move on to word number 11, that is shh. Shh. That is urging silence. Urging silence. हम आपसे बोल रहे हैं shh, keep quiet, right? The baby is sleeping. Shh. Children are writing their exams, right? So, my example, shh. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. There is a monkey outside. बाहर मंकी है. तो मंकी हम पे हमला कर सकता है, right? And the last one. I have tried to cover all the words which will be very useful for you, right? And the last one is wow. W-O-W. Wow. It expresses surprise. Okay, it expresses surprise. क्या बता रहा है? Wow. What a beautiful building. Wow, what a beautiful building. Wow, what a beautiful bird. कितनी सुंदर बर्ड है. जब हम पीकॉक को डांस करते हुए देखते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं ना, वाओ व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड, राइट? So I hope things are very clear for you, and these are the words which we are going to do in interjection, and hope now we will be able to solve any type of exercise given on interjections very easily, without any confusion, without any mistakes, right? So after this we will be moving on to the exercise given in your Pansy book. So tomorrow be ready with your exercise in the Pansy book. Tomorrow we'll be doing the exercises on interjection from the Pansy book. So hope it is very clear to you children. You are not sending me your homeworks which I had given in synonyms, antonyms, right? So I am not receiving any homework in those subjects. Please children, study daily, study nicely, wholeheartedly, do your work, complete your copies, and meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.